Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Our first story comes from the heart of South Sudan politics. Oyet Perino, and acting chairman and commander-in-chief of the SPLMA in a position, has arrived in the United States. His mission is to secure the release of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and other detained leaders. Oyet Nathaniel Oyet touched down in Washington, D.C. last Friday evening, according to Pok Bodbalwang, acting press secretary for the office of the first Vice President. He was welcomed by SPLM-SPLA officials in the U.S., including Dr. Isaac Gang, head of the SPLM-SPLA mission. During his stay, Oyet will meet the senior U.S. government official and other international partner. The discussion will focus on the immediate and unconditional release of Dr. Riek Machar and other detained members. They will talk about restarting dialogue between South Sudanese political actors and finding ways to bring peace and stability back to South Sudan. According to the report, Oyet will also visit several U.S. states to meet South Sudanese diaspora communities, faith-based organizations, and civil society group. The goal is to gather international support for peace, reconciliation, and humanitarian aid for people affected by conflict and economic hardship back home. According to this report, this visit shows SPLM-SPLA commitment to inclusive peace and building a strong international relationship, especially with the United States. South Sudan continue to face challenges as parties struggle to implement peace agreement and prepare for delayed election. Oyet diplomacy could play a key role in pushing this effort forward. Let's move on to our second top story. South Sudan government condemned Iranian attack on Israel and Gulf countries. Our next story takes us beyond South Sudan. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has strongly condemned Iranian missile and drone attack on Israel, Gulf countries, and other nations. The minister called this attack a violation of international law. The minister's statement mentioned countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Turkey, Cyprus, and Azerbaijan. It pointed out the disruption caused to civilian life and the economy, especially the targeting of energy sector and shipping routes like the Strait of Hormuz. South Sudan's close ties with the Gulf countries have grown, especially after the civil war in Sudan disrupted the nation's main oil pipeline. The United Arab Emirates and other Gulf nations have provided financial support, often through complex oil for cash deals. Experts have warned that some of these deals bypass national oversight, which can worsen economic challenges. South Sudan also maintains a strong relationship with Israel and the United States. Israel supported South Sudan independence movement, and the U.S. helped the country gain independence in 2011. Despite some friction over election and human rights issues, Juba remains aligned with this partner. The ministry said it supports peace and stability in the Gulf and recognized the resilience of affected countries. To recap today's headline, Oyet Nathaniel Perino is in U.S. working to free Dr. Riek Machar and restart peace talk. South Sudan condemned Iranian attack on Israel and Gulf nation, calling for global stability. We want to hear from you. What do you think about South Sudan diplomatic move abroad? Could this effort bring lasting peace at home? Drop your thought in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with Changfied News. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.